While you're setting up your classroom space, consider the amount of space you have available for students to make their thinking visible. Too often in math classrooms, math is about this private endeavor in which you are sequestered on your own and it's this solo work. You might even have students who are covering up their papers with a folder, and that's communicating something about the work of mathematics, that it's private and that mistakes are not supposed to happen and that you either get it right or wrong. We are interested in doing the opposite. So by filling up the walls with gigantic whiteboards, having rolling whiteboards where students can make their thinking visible, we are communicating that mathematics is a community endeavor. It is a process-oriented work that where mistakes happen and where mistakes are actually a part of the learning. So by having the whiteboards large and open and accessible, students can access those and kind of be part of that process. Now, whiteboards can be quite expensive. So our little hack is heading to Home Depot or a hardware store where they sell these shower boards that you would use in a bathroom. They are a surface in which you can write on and erase easily. They're more affordable. We get giant Velcro strips and we just stick them on the back and stick them up on the walls. And so these are all just stuck onto the walls behind me, and we fill them up from the very bottom of the floor all the way up to the ceiling, and this allows greater access. Now, these are also more affordable than a traditional whiteboard, and so we can fill up the space as much as possible. So remembering that I'm not filling up my walls with bulletin boards. Instead, I'm thinking about how can I create spaces where learners can make their thinking visible, where I'm able to assess like constantly. I'm able to look around the room and quickly take in information, notice what are my students understanding, what is clear, where are some misconceptions coming up, what's happening for in their thinking and their understanding, and then creating a culture by which we learn from each other. There's a misconception over here, or oh, there's a great idea over here. We can come gather around together and learn from this piece of mathematics, learn from these mathematicians, because that is what learning math should be.